Guys, nasa loob tayo ng metro. Tinamad ako maglakad. Naka-escalator kasi dito guys. Ayun, no? Nakatuwa talaga dito sa Dubai. Oh. Naka-escalator. Para sa mga tamad, maglakad. Ayun, no? Ayan, naka-escalator yan. Exit to tayo. According to my sister. Exit, pwede naman dito. So ayun guys, labas tayo guys. Sobrang init ngayon. Oh. Nari nga pala ang labas ng metro. Kita, sobrang init kasi guys. Ayan, no? Dati kasi siyang Al Jafilia. Ngayon pinalitan nilang ng pangalan na Max. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Sobrang init. Tayo sa area ng aking kapatid, hindi ko tukoy, tatsambahan na lang. So, ayan guys, namamasyal na tayo. Mabilis lang talaga dito ang pasyalan guys, kasi nga mag-metro-metro lang naman dito. Ayan, thank you for watching guys, hanggang dito na lang muna. Naliligaw ako guys, kaya ako ay humiram ng telepon kay my friend. My friend, thank you ha, you're very kind. Thank you. Thank you. Naligaw si Mare. Ang haba ng nilakad ko, sakit ng paa ko, putik. Ang hirap hanapin na rin tinitirahan ng aking kapatid. Mahirap siya hanapin. Medyo malayo to sa Kabihasan pa lang kanyang tirahan. Yan, dito daw, sabi ni my friend ay ako ay mag-take ng right and then left. First right and then left. Diyos ko po, parang ano na ang aking paa sa sakit. Paano na ito mag-walking mamaya? Bala ko pa naman mag-walking sa Burj Khalifa. Ang sakit ng paa ko. Ang init guys. So yun guys, nakita ko na ang 55 B Street. Ayan guys, oh. Malapit na tayo sa Kabihasan na bibigay ng aking paa sa sakit. Ayan, 55 B Street. Ayan. Dito tayo dito guys. Ayan, dito sila naka-Villa 19. Ayan. Ayan. Hi, Lux! Lux, kakarating ko lang. Just arrived. Thank you, my friend. We're going to Burj Khalifa.
Today? Ma!
Go inside. So, ito yung kinalax na bahay, guys. So, hi, Kishab! You know, I lost the address. I don't know where I go. Shuhada. When I asked a kabayan, he told me to go straight. And then I go straight, but it's wrong this direction. Shuhada.
This house. In this room.
Sorry guys, yung tira na aking kapatid malaki.
Mom is taking a bath.
Yes. See? There is first floor and second floor also. Oh.
Someone's birthday like that.
And this is the kitchen. Oh my god. Kitchen.
That's Tito Beck.
Tito Beck is working. Kitchen, oh. Ayan, oh. Sila lang dito. May CR. Ayan. Si Kishab is sleeping. Don't make it noise because your dad is sleeping. Malinis. Luwang ng CR nila guys, oh. Tsaka ito yung kanilang kwarto. Ayan, oh. Laki. Doble dun sa aming tinitirahan ni Beck.
Maybe this one use this later, okay?
Bye, mall.
Oh yeah, I went here before.
Let's go. You know? This is the long walk. This is called long walk. Max. Oh, you walk. Here, in the right side. Ito kami guys sa Burj Khalifa. Naglalaya sila kasi walang pasok. She doesn't have school now.
Yeah, and it's tomorrow Christmas party. It looks like a mansion. Pop rocks already smashed.
Well,
The pop rocks.
guys sila, mga masyado kami sa Dubai Mall. Ayan, no? Kaya tamad po kami maglakad. Naka-escalator naman. Ayan. Mahaba pa eh, ang nakarin. Ito kasi yung pinakamahabang nakarin dito pag napunta ng Dubai Mall. Kaya minsan nakakatamad. Ayan, no? They just want to wear makeup, that's why.
I share it.
Sorry. Guys, ano siya?
I'm thinking it's a glass.
No. Ako sige, okay? Thank you. Gusto ko lang. Thank you. Yes. Guys, mga guys, yung siya sa dito, tapos yung pinapakain. Dito yan. Yan siya sa Dubai Mall. Yan. Mas lang. Let's go. So guys, ito yung Dubai Mall dito sa Dubai na talagang napakadaming taong pumupunta dito guys. Ayan o. Ayan o, ang ganda guys o. Daming tao dyan. Lux, where are you?
Here, behind you.
I'm with my niece. I told her to accompany me because her mommy is not available now. Ayan o. Super ganda guys dito o. Christmas na talaga dito.
அதனால அவளுக்கு தான் இப்போ வாங்கினேன் என்னது
Let's go, Lux. Lux, ano? Mountain. Ang ganda ng CR nila guys. So, papasok pa lang yan. Maganda na yan ang CR nila dito. Baho ang Lux, no? Lux, wait lang. Ang ganda guys ng ano, oh. CR.
Shark.
Yeah. Ikaw Lux! Dubai Aquarium. The big aquarium here in Dubai. Located in Dubai Mall. Inside, you know. Oh, ready for ito na yun? Let's go. Lux, your stand. Hi, Lux!
Hi.
Punta kami ng Burj Khalifa. Let's go! Are you tired? Little. Come here!
I feel like I want to sit down.
Oh, you can sit here. Oh, wait. Wait, ah.
I need the chocolate.
Hi, Lax! See, this is the beauty of Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa, guys. Yan o, ang ganda guys. Oh. Let's go guys there. Oh.
Is this church?
Yan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Burj Khalifa. Malapit tayo sa Burj Khalifa guys. Yan o. Daming tao guys ngayon. Grabe.